Now, I am Rita from Finland. We have been here with my husband 3 times, and every year we have came this place doing yoga once a week. We like this, it's very peaceful place, and a teacher understand if we cannot do very well, but he is a very good teacher and we enjoy this place. And also my husband has been here because, and perhaps he cannot understand all what you say, but you do so well, we can do after you. And I have learned very many new things also. For instance, how to do these braids. I couldn't done that earlier, but now I can. And last year I couldn't to stand on my head, but now I can, because I said to Sorid, next year I can, and now I can. I'm very happy about that. Ja nyt jotain ehkä suomeksi. Olemme siis suomalainen pariskunta ja olemme olleet 6 kertaa Goalla ja 3 vuonna peräkkäin olemme myöskin olleet aina kerran viikossa aamuisin tekemässä täällä joogaa. Jos joku haluaa tämmöisen drop-in paikan, ei mitään turhia filosofioita eikä muuta, vaan aamutreeniä, niin suosittelenpa, että tämä olisi erittäin hyvä paikka. Tervetuloa! Tulemme myöskin ensi vuonna. And we are coming also next year. Thank you.